Come test drive this 2019 Ford Fusion. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a power seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated door mirrors, and cruise control. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 11 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.